Nimuluya huyo. Nimuluya. Wait, time. All right. Umona Mary? Umona Mary? Mary amaanza kukisia na mikono.
Mary is supposed to be the other way round.
Wow.
Nampa wako yeye ndo akisi.
Mary is ready to risk it all.
I see that.
Before anything is everything ni designer wewe. Ni brand.
Hizo ni brand.
Yeye ndo Jordan.
Utuambie hapa ushamba.
I'm fine.
Karibu sana. Welcome to the center.
Ako na lipstick mingi cheki.
Mzee mmemkisolo hapa. Mtoto wa wenyewe. Pole bro, I apologize.
Shukran.
I am a lawyer, just in case you want to sue for any sexual harassment, talk to me. Wasichana wanakuja.
No, they were appropriate though. They were respectful. They were just showing their love.
Welcome
Bro,
to the
still
show.
talk to me.
I will.
Thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Lenny Muturi.
Lady?
Lenny.
Oh.
Lenny
Muturi.
Kama Mr. Lenny.
Mluya, Muturi ni Mkamba.
Lenny Muturi.
Mturi si Mkamba.
Muturi ni Mkenya.
Huyu kwani
Ni Mkenya. All right, bro, what do you do? Hey. What do you do?
I'm a cybersecurity by profession.
Wow.
That is not what I do. I'm a businessman. Yeah, I sell some suitcases somewhere around Kilimani.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Pale Adam Saked napajua.
Nasikia Kilimani.
Kilimani. All right. So check around these ladies. All right. Very beautiful, very exposed. I hope those some of them don't know good shoes. But
Let me remove them. Just a minute.
Allah.
Yeah.
Anatolea Tiff viatu. I hope azinuki bro.
Okay, what's going on?
Sijui mama kutoa.
Why is he removing his shoes?
Tiffany asipate reason ya kumtoanisha.
Oh jeez.
Anyway, lazima nipate reason.
Oh my God.
All right.
Unaona hizo pedi zinaka.
Silence. All right, so bro, I want you to look around these beautiful ladies. Check who amongst them could probably be your dream girl, all right? Once you do so, secretly and discreetly come and whisper into Rispa's ear. Let's do this. On a bad man. Amechagua Maya.
By the way, Rispa, be very, very careful with Ofu and Maya. Sasa zile huko na concentrate unafanya kazi, Ofu ameenda huko kwa Maya.
Ni hivi. Vile nilikwambia tu, mwanaume kishapata gonge, ashachoka nayo. Sasa ni kama amejua hawa, ameshachoka nao, anataka kitu mpya.
Check, there's something different.
What? The name.
Difference ya
We have Joy Nika, we got Cher, we got
Tiffany,
Gatha,
Kidar, Cindy Pim. Kama mnajua kupika mokimo na soup. If you don't, switch off the light.
All right, let's go. If you like him, maintain. If you don't like him, switch it off. All right, fantastic. So let me have
Mary amesema lazima hii iende nyumbani na.
Mary amesema hizo nywele anazifuruta. So let me have the ladies here.
Bamam anauliza. Niko na swali.
Tiffany, Mary, hakuna time ya swali. Maya, Gatha. I give the microphone starting to Gatha.
No?
Yes. Tell us why you feel like you'll be the best person. The best lady for him, yes. It's gonna go all around like that.
For me, I think he's...
Address it.
Oh, me, I like straightforward person, business-minded too, and someone who is more into communication with the girl.
Okay. Maya, I don't know what you're doing there, but it's okay.
I told you guys.
No, I love that he's tall, he's handsome, he has a nice smile, how he's dressed. Yeah, so mimi naweza kupikia mokimo. Alafu, you're a dancer, right? I also love Afro-Latin dances, and I think we rhyme.
Beautiful. Cindy P?
So, mi naona nakaa poa. Mapua yake imenibamba.
Yaani ulikuwa na tamaa ya kuangalia mapua Cindy?
Lazima uangalie juu kuna wengine but unakaa poa, height iko fiti, kila kitu iko poa. Sasa mbona nikukatai jamani?
Chidera, whether you like this man,
so apart
please
from your
campaign for yourself.
Apart from your physical appearance, which is good on point, 100/10, I like the fact that he didn't mention anything sexual. He talked about meaningful connection, because most guys are just sex, and I like that.
Okay.
Real.
Maria Mtakatifu.
Yes. Talk to us more. Microphone.
Business minded. So ni mtu mnaweza jijenga pamoja despite the age gap. Me I'm 34. I don't know your age.
Mama wako ndo huyo.
Akona S class.
Na Mary akona pesa.
Kwa patelo wangu, si ndio?
Aya, Chief. Tukasirishe.
Okay, mimi napenda vile amevaa. Dread tutafix anyway. Ni retouch tu.
Lakini si ulisema ati
No, she's there. Trust me.
Nimesema dread tutafix.
This is the nicest Tiffany has ever been.
Baga akanyaga hapo. What, my G?
Yep.
Don't give me the name.
Bado.
What, then we matter.
Please go get your girl.
Angoja.
Get your girl.
Nataka watu wa gaze.
Kai.
What?
Acha kamera igaze.
Ndio ameingia Mungu ndo ameingia.
I hope it's Maya. Mimi nataka tu ofua nyamazi. I hope it's Maya.
Who? Mary. No, Mary.
I hope it's Maya. Are you seeing the way Ufu is behaving?
Nataka tufanye countdown. Mtashtuka ni wote mkufe. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tiffany!
But hello.
Yaani Tiffany ameenda tu hivyo. I think this guy knew what he was doing. He knew what the problem with Tiffany ni viatu. Akaonyesha yuko willing kuzitoa.
Yuko na size.
Okay, Tiffany, do you want to go or not?
Okay. Personally.
Oh, Jesus.
No, I don't want to go. No.
Why?
Because
he picked you. Unaona vile Rispa kidogo kuena heart attack. Alijua tutafika hapa.
Nimempea tu psych,
nimempea kwa kutoka soko ikifika.
Mistaki, nimempea psych, but Aki is not my type. Mimi nataka watu wako na
bana ukuzima live.
Sasa
guys, okay, I just want to listen to the director.
Yeah, manake umespoilia watu wengi sana. There's a lot of ladies there. It will not be fair for him to leave empty-handed.
Hata Maya pia angekuwa ameshapata mtu.
Yeah. Si basi wenye mimi simtaki.
The thing is But I also don't want him to go with a lady.
Empty-handed.
Tiffany is a handful. We must admit to that.
I
And
agree.
even the
Najua atamvuruga.
This guy is too calm.
Yeah, miss ako too calm.
Na sio nataka sasa lazima mpate
So now,
balance.
Tiffany, come here. This is the thing. We appreciate your presence on the show, but we're also not going to let it teasing. So now you are going to be suspended for the show until, if you don't come back, the viewers will know that you're not coming back. Unless you think otherwise. You are the dream girl, your lights were on, so we cannot play that game of leading guys around. So you are not going to match up with Mr. Right, but you're also disqualified from the show. Goodbye, Tiffany.
Okay.
So tumpatie mtu mwingine ama?
No, he'll also just go like that.
Why are we punishing Mr. Right?
No,
Hajakosa.
Why are we punishing? No.
Hey, guys.
What I'm saying is, we gave the other guy a chance.
Madam alikuwa amebakisha lights warudi kwa stage. Hajakosa, hajamekosa nini? Hajakosa. Marikam, hajakosa. Maya rudi. Ukata kuja. Ukata, come.
Rispa is taking over.
Si fair. Hajakosa.
Madam anarudi fair.
Come, Mary.
Ukitoka, remember you are the second option.
Okay, the guest has something to say.
Na ukitoka ujue you are the second option, you are not the first option, you'll never be the first option.
Haijalishi si mapenzi
kila mtu na time yake.
No.
Ungekuwa
kuchagua sababu mwenye alikuwa anataka hayuko. Angekuchagua. Hakukuona wewe wa kwanza aseme this is what I want for myself. You are okay?
Father,
okay, let's ask the ladies who are okay to be the second option. I shared my story before. I wasn't his first, and here we are.
Let the man decide.
Let the man decide. Do you want another one? Or
Father God.
Nataka bibi mwingine ama pana?
Wacha angalie.
It's painful.
I think it will make Rispa very happy for you not to leave empty-handed.
Pia unamfeel? So unataka kurudi huko? Unamtaka huyu?
Honestly, ningechagua Maya, but amesema hataki kuwa second option.
Wow. I know. Ungenitaka ungenichagua mara ya kwanza, mimi sikutaka.
Thank you. Angekutreat vile angetreat wa kwanza.
Oh jeez.
Sasa Maya wewe cheka na huyu mtu. Hayo usienda naye pale.
Cheki mtu wangu.
Watu wako ndio hapa.
Hii soni yangu mtu wangu. All right. Baby, okay? Don't do that to me again. Don't do that.
Are you kidding me? Kisha, you're even giving us an evil laugh. Seriously?
All right, so my G. It's unfortunate what I stand up to be. The show has rules and regulations that we have to follow. There's a structure to it. She had her lights on. You had chosen her. She cannot change her mind from here. It's unfortunate that didn't happen. I will consult, of course, with the whole Mr. Right team. If you can have a chance to come again at a later episode, all right? But for now, it's unfortunate. I'll have to release you the way you came. But thank you so much for coming on the show.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your home of love. Hello, Mr. Wash is on 4. My name is the Eagle himself. Dr. Funike is my name.
And I'm Garis for Faith or Mama Nyota.
All right, and of course, let's appreciate our guests, ladies and gentlemen.
Let's appreciate Mama Gertrude.
Wapi makofi yake tafadhali, of course. East Africa's finest when it comes on the decks and the wheels, ladies and gentlemen, the mix genius DJ Sadek. And of course, let's appreciate our ladies. And let's appreciate Maya. Oh, baby.
No. We don't have a reason to appreciate Maya.
Yeah. No.
I wish I could be given permission to disqualify someone.
Yeah.
Maya will go home. We don't want bias. You have to like all the girls equally. Not one. All the girls equally. Ama Maya, I'm warning you. Maya is gonna go home.
Ma'am, unaona kesho mgeni mwenye atakuja hapa atafanyiwa the same thing kama Maya.
Chekini. Audience mmekuwa na mimi safari.
Hapana.
Sikizeni.
Audience hataki kusikia pia.
Kubali kataa.
Wase mmekuwa na mimi safari. Mbona kila time Sadika na Kam, mam na Rispa wanamkimbilia, Madema anamkimbilia, mimi nabaki hivyo. Finally nimefind love. Yani siwezi experience love.
I'm warning you, Ofu. I am warning you. It's okay, Ofu. Daddy, Rispa, close the show.
Kuja to close na wewe. Take your mic. Take your mic. Come to close the show. Come. Ladies and gentlemen, this has been Mr. Right Season 4. Star Times powered by Power Solar.
I agree. Bye-bye, good people. Bye-bye. See you.